We're back.
Yep.
Yep. So, we got about 10 seconds left on our Alexa timer before we can start playing with our slime. Are you freaking excited?
Yeah!
I'm freaking excited. This is going to be awesome.
Yeah. It's done!
Alexa, dismiss. So, our next step.
This is my favorite part.
Our next step, we're going to put the slime in your hand like this. Boom. Okay? Then we're going to sprinkle our unicorn magic. Unicorn magic. We got to be quiet because our baby brother Andrew is sleeping.
Yeah.
And we can't do slime with Andrew. We got to wait till he goes to sleep. So, here we go.
Because he will eat it and ruin it. And we'll have to get him another one. And that will cost a lot of dollars.
We ain't got a lot of dollars here. It's a lot of potholes.
Yep.
Yep. All right, hand out. All right. We got to use our spoon to scrape it out. Where's our spoon? Here's our golden Poopsie unicorn spoon. Handy dandy. Here we go. There's our slime. How's it feel? Describe the feeling.
It feels gooey.
It feels gooey, huh?
Uh-huh.
Let's get a little extra from
I'm
off of our
playing
lid.
it a little bit.
Okay, so here you go. Here, we're just gonna keep it in one hand.
It feels like jelly.
A jelly. All right, hand out. Just one hand. Put it in one hand. Right there. Don't move. Okay. Here comes. Oh, we spilled some unicorn magic. That's okay. Come here. Put it out in one hand. I need it in one hand. Just like this. This hand stays still. Open your fingers. Open your fingers.
Whoa.
Whoa. Unicorn magic. Freaking magic, dude. Wow. Alright. So, play with it in your hands. Mix it and mash it. Throw it every which way. Here, put it on the ground. Put it on the table. Oh, not like this. Hang on. Let's do it. Let Daddy help. There we go. Let's do it like this.
Got a little bit stuck to my hand.
It's alright.
Got it out.
It's alright. Here, rub it on this. Rub it on that. Alright. Here, let me see.
This is Elizabeth and Daddy video. Click on the down Poopsie sign. Surprised to watch it again.
Watch it again. Hit subscribe because we like more followers.
Yep.
Alright, hey, stop doing that. You're making a mess on the table. It says to keep folding and folding until the powder is all gone.
It says it will just dissolve.
Dissolve what?
And that
Hey, up on the table, please.
and we want it to dissolve so we can play with it. Can I do some of it?
Just a second. Let me finish getting this up right in front of you. I sure hope this comes off the table, don't you? Because Mama's gonna freak.
Yep.
Yep. Alright. Here you go. You can play. Daddy's gonna wash his hands now.
It's really gooey.
It is really gooey, huh? Doing what you're doing, okay?
Okay.
Whoopsie. Alright, let's do a quick wipe up of the table. Alright.
Watch this. I got a yo-yo.
Alright, quit silly.
It's stuck to my hand. Ah.
Alright. Put it, I need here. Let me see it real quick. Let me try. Let me see it. Okay. It's very important to not touch anything else besides your slime right now, so we don't get it all over your clothes or your hair, okay? Notice to put her hair up. Rocking that dad pony, because daddy don't know how to do ponies. All right, hold your slime for me. Pick up your slime, put it in your hand. Put the slime in your hand. There you go, hold it right there. Let me wipe your table. Wipe the table. It came off. Good deal. Mama doesn't have to kill daddy. There we go. All right. So, do we remember what the next step is?
No, I don't know.
You don't know?
Already.
Our next step. Open the keychain container. That's Monday.
Put it in there.
Store the slime inside of your keychain, then replace the cover to the keychain.
Just 1 minute. I gotta get all of this off my hand.
Just put it all together. There you go. Look, it's the same color as Monday.
Whoa, that's freaking cool.
That is freaking cool. You can just put it all in there at once, kiddo.
But I just
Like tearing pieces. Okay. I think we'll have room for one more piece. 2 more pieces, all we have room for. Put that one in there. Hurry. Get this one in there.
That's what I was gonna do.
Well, that's a silly noise.
Yeah, it sounds like somebody's farting.
It sounds like somebody's what?
Farting.
Remember, our baby brother Andrew's asleep.
Yeah, I forgot.
I forgot. So we're gonna put some of it in here. Put the rest of it inside of our milkshake bottle.
Can I please play with the rest of this?
Right there for me. Oh, what's your slime smell like? I forgot we put the magic smell in it.
Root beer.
It smells like root beer? Oh my goodness. That is so cool. Oh.
Yep, sure does. Take a smell. Take a smell of this one.
Yep, root beer it is. And there we go. That's how she goes. That's all we got here from Lacona. Peace out, Craig.
Our video is not done yet. We still have to take it out of the vial and put
it in our milkshake. There we go. Put it in there.
But
put it in there.
I want to play with it.
We can play with it later. Put it in there.
Okay.
We gotta wake up your brother.
Okay, guys. We still have to wait a little bit. And boom, she's safe.
Alright, put that down.
And first we gotta
Alright.
dissolve all the things.
Say bye to everybody.
Bye, everybody.
You're not saying bye, you're saying bye to that. Say bye,
Bye.
everybody. We're gonna push the red button now.